Good morning, dear learners. I welcome you all to yet another math online class. In today's session, we shall resume the topic perimeter. We had already started this chapter before the revision, and today we shall resume the topic perimeter. And in the earlier class, we discussed finding the perimeter of irregular shape. In today, particularly, we will discuss the formula for finding rectangle, perimeter of rectangle and regular shapes such as square and equilateral triangle. So let us get into the topic. First of all, calculating the perimeter of a rectangle. So now here we will use a formula that is 2 times L into B. 2 times length plus breadth. So in order to calculate, we use this formula. Suppose a rectangle has length 10 centimeter and breadth 5 centimeter. How do we calculate the perimeter? So the perimeter is equal to 2 times 10 plus 5. 2 times length plus breadth. What we get here? 2 times, we add the numbers in the bracket. So 10 plus 5, 15. So 2 into 15. Finally, we will get 30. 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now let us have a look at a problem. Here you can see a word problem is there. It is the lid of a rectangular box of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all round with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So let us assume a rectangular box. Suppose this is the shape. This is the shape of rectangular box and whose sides. So the longest side is length. So let us assume that length is given as 40 centimeter and its breadth is given as 10 centimeter. According to the perimeter, according to the formula of perimeter of rectangle, we use the perimeter formula is 2 times length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 times length is 40 plus breadth is 10. So first of all, we have to add the numbers in the bracket. So what is the numbers in the bracket? 40 and 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. So 50, then bracket. Bracket means multiplication. Multiplied by the outside number. What is the number outside? It is 2. So that is 2. So 2 times 50, it is 100. So 100 centimeter is the length of the tape. So the question is, what is the length of the tape required? The tape is to be sealed all around the rectangular box. That means the length of the tape required is the perimeter of the rectangular box. The perimeter of the rectangular box is 100 centimeter, which means the tape required is 100 centimeter. I hope it helpful. Let us move on to next topic. Next, perimeter. Calculating the perimeter of a square. We know that perimeter is a regular shape. Regular shape means all the sides are equal in length. Suppose if a square has side 5 centimeter, which means all its four sides are 5 centimeter. So this side will be 5 centimeter. The four sides will be of equal length. So it is very easy to calculate the perimeter of square. Formula is given 4 times side. So we can easily calculate it as 4 times. This particular square has side 5 centimeter. So we use 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. So 20 centimeter is the perimeter of this given square. So if side is given, for any square, if side is given, it is very easy for us to calculate. Suppose the side of the square is given as, say, side is given as 9 centimeter. And how do we calculate the perimeter? Perimeter, we know the formula. What is the formula? 4 times side. So the side of this particular square is 9 centimeter. So 4 times 9, we know that it is 36. So 36 centimeter would be the perimeter of this particular square. Let us move on to the next topic. Next one is perimeter of equilateral triangle. So perimeter is also a regular shape, which means all the sides will be of same measure. Suppose if the side is 3 centimeter, the remaining two sides also will be 3 centimeter. This side is 3 centimeter and this side is also 3 centimeter. Now in order to calculate the perimeter, the formula is given as 3 times side. So the perimeter of this particular equilateral triangle is perimeter is equal to formula according to the formula 3 times side. 3 times 3 which is equal to 9. 9 centimeter is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle. Suppose if an equilateral triangle has a side of 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is the side. What would be its perimeter? We can use this formula 3 times the side of the particular equilateral triangle is 10. So its perimeter would be 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter is the perimeter of the particular equilateral triangle. Now let us look into a problem. The question is given as the tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? So what would be the shape? Here the sides are tabletop means it is in the rectangular shape or square shape. It can be either rectangle or square. But here in this problem we see that the two sides have different measures. So one is 2 meter 25 centimeter. The other side is 1 meter 50 centimeter. So obviously this shape is not a square but it's a rectangle. So let us mark its length and breadth. Its length is given as 2 meter 25 centimeter, which can be written as 2.25 meter, and its breadth is given as 1 meter 50 centimeter, that can be written as 1.50 meter. Now it is a rectangle. We know the formula for calculating the perimeter. In short, perimeter can be represented as P. Perimeter is equal to of a rectangle is equal to 2 times length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 times length is 2.25 centimeters. So let us write that into the bracket. 2.25 plus breadth is 1.50 plus 1.50. Now bracket numbers we have to add first. So which are they? 2.25 plus 1.50. How much do we get? 3.75 we will get in the bracket. So which is equal to 2 times 3.75. 3.75. The product will be the perimeter of the rectangle. So what is that? So let us multiply that number. 3.75 times 2. So 2 5s are 10, 1 carry over. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, decimal point, 1 carries over. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7.50 is the perimeter. So perimeter we got as 7.50 meter. That is the length of the tabletop. One more problem is there. The next problem. What is the length of a wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? So we have to. So it is the shape. The shape of this frame is photo frame is a rectangle. We need to calculate the wooden strip required for put a frame for this photograph. For that, breadth is given. Its breadth has been given as 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter, and its length has been given as 21 centimeter. So in order to find the wooden strip required, what we need to find? We need to first find the perimeter of this photo frame. So it is a square. We know the formula for finding the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So first of all we write the formula 2 times length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 times, here the breadth length is, what is the length here? The length is 32 centimeter and its breadth is 21 centimeters. So we will write it as, we will write 2 times length 32, 32 plus 21. So what we get, so we have the formula, previous step we have written 2 times 32 plus 21, the 2 times 32 plus 21. So first we will add the numbers in the bracket, 32 plus 21, so we get 53 we get, so that is 53. Then we remove the bracket, that means we have to give a multiplication symbol. So 2 times 53, so what we get, 2 times 53, 6, 5 2s are 10, so 106. So we will get 106 as the product, that is 106 centimeter of wooden strip is required. Otherwise it is 1.06 meter. So 1.06 meter of wooden strip is required to put a frame for the this photograph. I hope it's helpful. Thank you all of you. Have a great